Afternoon, my name's Jack.Weir. I'm with Guaranty RV in Junction City, Oregon. I'm here to show you today a 3404 Newmar Baystar Sport. The year is 2016 and there's only 2673 miles on it. That's 2,673 miles. Just barely broken in. Beautiful coach inside and out. 3 slides. Has an onboard own and gas generator. And let's take a look at the floor plan. That's what most people are the most interested in. So let's go in and take a look. We're going to start up here in the cockpit. We do have the upgraded stereo system in this one. Nav, cruise control, automatic one-touch levelers. This is on the Triton V10 chassis. Moving further back, we've got the sofa bed here. Sits 3 comfortably, sleep 2 comfortably. All wood on the wood appointments. Nice Corian countertop, double sinks, and they are stainless. Good oversing storage. Nice microwave, 3-burner cooktop and gas stove. Nice domestic generator. Good freezer, good refrigerator. Tons of storage and storage down below. Have a nice pantry shelving system here. Full pull on the drawers. And nice pantry there. Really nice flat screen Vizio with storage compartment for your DVD player and any other electronics you'd want to put up there. Nice linoleum floor and a nice dinette set for you. Do have much more storage here. This coach has a lot of storage inside and out. This one is very nice in that you have the lav separated from the shower. This gives you the ability to utilize both sections at the same time. Nice 48-inch radius on the shower, sink, and then you have your lav and lav storage in here. We have more storage space here for your towels, whatever you need for your bathroom. And then back into the bedroom. Have a very nice queen-size walk-around bed. Nice storage over the top. 2 huge wardrobes on each side of the television. Another Vizio, good quality. Have full pulls on all of the drawers on the foot side of the bed. This again is the 2016 3404 Newmar Baystar Sport. Any questions, you can call Jack 541-654-1820, or you can email me at jack.weir@guaranty.com. Thank you very much for your time.